Now blue is not enough.
Guys, remember last time I told you that my cat eats watermelon? Well, just testing. This is a piece of watermelon, and you see, it enjoys watermelon. This is my cat. It's called Ole. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's nice to see you. It's nice to be in touch again. Today I'm really going to show you how to achieve donut bun, how to achieve a donut bun on fussy hair. I know it's been a while. How are you doing, my subscribers? As usual, a big virtual hug to you all. I love you guys. You're the reason why I keep coming up on YouTube to share my videos with you. Well, this is my hair, just slightly down. And guys, I've been off because one, I'm trying to grow my hair. You know, if you're going to be styling your hair every time, then it means, you know, especially if you want to retain length, these are some of the things that you have to sacrifice. So this is my length. This is length check. This is really where my hair is right now. And guys, I'm not very, it's okay to use heat to blow dry your hair once in a while, and if you make it a habit, then that also means that you're going to destroy your hair. You see, the more you apply heat on your hair, the more you interfere with your hair natural pattern. Now, in my opinion, I would really advise you to try to minimize the use of heat as much as you can. Now, what do you need to achieve a donut bun on fussy hair? Well, to achieve this, you need this is a donut bun, guys, and this really works out for, you know, for the lazy naturals, because actually you can shape your hair using your own hair. But sometimes you're not able to, or you have challenges and it's a bit difficult for you to achieve that. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, these donut buns have different sizes, various sizes, and it also depends on the length of your hair and also the size of bun that you want to achieve will determine what you go for. Now, I have this big size. This is a mega size, and then for those who still have very short hair, you may actually go for something like that. And it's like this. This size is cute too, but now it's too small for my hair. And then you need a bun like this. Now, you later on see how I'm going to use this on my hair. And of course, you need a hairbrush. Yes, and for those of you who lay your edges, you know what I'm talking about. Well, I'm not so much into laying edges. I do try to just let my hair lay as long as it looks neat. For me, that works out for me, really, guys. And then, of course, you always know this. This is my string. It's a black string. It's what I usually use when I'm holding my high puffs. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial, guys. I've missed you all, really. So now, to achieve this time, you just need to try and gather your hair at the center, and this is what I'm trying to do. And guys, this is the natural pattern of my hair. And like I said, I don't usually use a lot of heat. I try to avoid using heat on my hair because I do know that heat damage is real, and once you achieve. Once you get it damaged, it means it will take you some time to sort out that. And I know most of us love to have hair that is long, hair that is straight, but I can assure you that even having your hair in its natural state, as long as you're looking after it well, as long as you deep condition it, as long as you moisturize it, as long as you're doing all those things that we naturals do, definitely your hair will be soft and easy to maintain. For most naturals, to have this kind of texture, they think it's difficult, but really it's not hard, because I just give you, let me just show you. This is my hair. Close look now. For you to see that this hair is easy, you see, I can easily separate it. You see this? It's not straight, but I can easily separate it. You see? Okay. So it's a Sunday today, and it's quite relaxed, and Kampala is cool. For those of you who are visiting my channel for the first time, welcome, a big virtual hug, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like what you see, and please do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. So you see guys, I put this on my hair. Now what you do, you push your string like this guys, and then you keep pushing your hair, and it all depends on where you want your or how high or in which position you want your bun to be. So guys, I'm doing this. I keep pushing this from behind, and then this is what I'm doing. You see guys, just trying to achieve a shape. Now I'm going to make my band a little bit, I don't want it to be so small. I hope this is fine. I think this is gonna work for me. And guys, this style is easy to make. This style is very, you can actually wear it the whole week. It makes a good protective style, and for most of us who don't really enjoy having hair on your face or on your forehead, and sometimes you just want to keep your hair away from you. So guys, then we have something like so. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in with my donut bun. Of course, the name, I think it's called the donut bun because of it looks like a donut really. And for those of you who, you can actually also make something like this using your socks, but there are many tutorials on YouTube that you can do. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to gather this hair like this guys. You see what I'm doing? I'm going to gather this hair like this. Wow. I'm just going to tie this a bit. So I'm going to gather this. Now, like I always tell you guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. And this is where it's all about trying something, and you keep working until you achieve what you want. When you put this, then you have something like so. Now today my bun is not, I didn't want to go for something straight, but it's a bit like, let's call it a side bun. Now you have something like this guys. I hope you can all see. Now what happens when you're done with this, now you look for the center of your donut. You look for the center, the middle. Okay, let's call it the middle of your donut. And then now start begin to rearrange your hair. See what I'm doing? Just like this. And then, you know, when you're sure you've rearranged your hair, and then you now get this. You remember your band. Now to achieve something neat, you just have to be, because this band is quite big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to I'll just show you what I do, and then I'm going to start placing this in. And remember, as you try to do this, try to smoothen your hair. Try to smoothen your hair. And guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. You see, as you keep on doing this, you see, try to shape, try to see how it's fitting in, and then, wow, it didn't come out well, so I'm just gonna try and take it out again. It's not fair. Let me just see. What's important is try to cover up try to make sure your hair is covered. That's the point I'm making, guys. Try to cover up. Try to cover as much as you can. That's what I'm doing. So this is what. It's not very easy, guys. You know, like putting this ring, this band to run through your hair is not a very simple thing. So what I'm trying to do, guys, I'm trying to make sure that, you know, that the hair goes in every part. And then when you're done with this, then you can tuck in your hair. You tuck your hair under. Tuck in your hair. Try to tuck in. Try to make sure the hair is tucked in as much as you can, because at the end of the day you're not supposed to expose. And don't be afraid if you have some parts of your hair is seen. It's not it's not a crime, guys. So then you have something like this. Well, guys, you can see this is a very simple hair tutorial. You see, this is what you have. And now this style is chic. This style is cute. This style is easy for the week. You can actually wear it during the week. And all you have to do is whenever you feel your hair needs moisture, you just moisten. And if you can even top it up, you can accessorize your hair. You put a hair band here. Sometimes you can even put hairpins around your head, around your band. Or guys, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you've enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit on the notification bell so that you get to know, or you get to watch every time I post a new video. And to my subscribers, You guys have been so loyal to me. Just to tell you that I love you so much. A big virtual hug to you all. And I keep praying that we keep moving in this natural hair journey together. Till then, see you in my next video. Bless you. Bye bye.